Good morning. Welcome to the first in the series of short videos on video conferencing technology such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp, Skype, and Google Hangouts, to name a few. My name is Roselle Bowerman, and these videos are made possible by Diversity Resource International. Some of the most popular video conferencing platforms include Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Skype, Slack, Google Meet, and WhatsApp Call, to name a few. So, what are the benefits of using video conferencing software? We all know there's nothing better than meeting face-to-face with a friend or a family member, but sometimes that's just not possible. And that's when video conferencing has its benefits. Video conferencing allows you to meet family and friends in a formal or an informal environment, in any location and on any digital communication device securely. The software you need, or the platform, the Zoom or the Microsoft or the team, is a bit like having a good venue, a good restaurant, or a meeting place. It's important to know that it's not the software that's important, it's the host. You as the host is the hero. You choose a platform that you're comfortable with, just like you would choose a restaurant. Everyone has their favorite. And this video is to teach you how to be a good host. It's to give you some tips so that you could take your skills and work on any platform and go to any venue and still be a good host. You can have the best software in the world, but if you're hosting a business meeting or a professional meeting, there's lots to be learned and there's lots of tips that can help you bring out the best in you as a host. So let's get started.